Hey, how's it going, everyone? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Asian market. Hello. New role Epsor, Fiber Splice Gold, Team Smoky. How's it going, guys? All right, let me just clean up the chart just a little bit. All right, just 1 second, guys. I want to take care of this Tim's giveaway that he won last night. So just bear with me, guys. Where's Tim? All right, there we go. All good now. Getting ready for this market. Asia Globex, guys. It's that time of the day. Okay, let's get this, everybody. Woo! Stock Tiger is ready to rock and roll here tonight, guys. I'm actually a little nervous, to be honest, man. You know, this last dub, I don't know if you guys were there. I was taking a look at this chat at the last minute, and I got this dub. I was like, you've got to be kidding me, guys. Does this give you some sort of a clue on where this market's gonna go here, guys? Tomorrow's the FOMC. We've got a big FOMC tomorrow, guys. Be careful, everyone. I'll be busy in the office, so I will not be here in the morning. And I'm happy that I will not be able to trade much tomorrow. I'm definitely a happy camper. I want to stay out of FOMC. And once the dust settle, I want to jump into my trades. But for now, I do not want to do anything with FOMC tomorrow, guys. It's going to be scary. I don't think this is the time to play with your funded accounts. So I think today, tomorrow, I'm going to stay a little bit careful in my trades. I'm going to try and step into my trades with eval accounts that I am trying to build. And that could start off the day with Tradify accounts, because I got 6 Tradify accounts, pretty close to passing 2, so I might as well try to use that. I'm gonna try and short the market on a bounce. Ah man, I kind of got trapped today, but you know, it is what it is. So sad, but hey, completely forgotten now. We are back to break even. We're gonna start the day strong. Let's end this Asian market strong, and let's bang some profits, guys. Let's make some good trades. Let's see. We'll start the day. I'm gonna start the day trading my Tradify here, guys. We'll start the day trading the Tradify. Try to pass this Tradify, guys. Let's try to pass a whole bunch of Tradify here, guys, tonight, so I can get to a lot of funded accounts on my Tradify. So we got 2 levels. I'm kind of watching 520 and 500, guys. We're not so far off. This price session, the last 10 minutes of the day, the price session kind of gave us some sort of a clues. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback, guys, today. I could be wrong, but you know, maybe a little bit of a bounce, but then the bounce will be short-lived. Okay, so with that in mind, guys, hold on one second. Let me just draw a little bit of a. Let me just go back to the 5-minute chart here. I'm gonna have a level of resistance here as well. This is a huge level of resistance too. Okay, and we got a trend line. This trend lines are extremely important, guys. It's not a coincidence that we're getting a rejection of this level. I drew the channel resistance first, and I drew a trend line resistance. And we've got a resistance rejection of these 2 levels, guys. And it's not a coincidence that we also got a rejection of this EMA as well. So here we go, guys. This is where I'm at right now. I'm going to be using this to kind of gauge where this market's going to go in the first 10 minutes of the Globex, guys. All right, the market is just about to open. 1 more minute, guys. And these are my levels. What is going on with this thing? You know, it's like every time I try to move back to 1-minute chart, this trend line moves on its own. It's weird. Okay, so we got 30 more seconds, guys. Okay, we'll try to maybe push, give a little bit of a fake breakout, and then maybe get a pullback here, guys. All right, just be careful, guys. I am trading now. We are pretty oversold down, so we'll see. Pretty interesting. Looking for some clues. Let's see how this market starts today. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. 4 more seconds, guys. Let's get it, everyone. Holy mochaccino, guys. Oh, no. Entered the wrong one. Where's my entry? I entered a wrong trade. I got into a wrong trade. That's fine. That is absolutely okay for now. Captain Price, what up? All right, everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see y'all back here. Tim Schmocky, what up, man? Fiber Splice Gold, New Roll, Kel Lee in the house. Happy kids, man. What is going on, brother? What is going on? Happy kids, man. I saw you this morning too. You saw me having a hard time this morning. Kenny, what up? Wiser the most. Captain Price J in the house, man. That was an interesting day. Price action was choppy. Yeah, absolutely. Sammy owner, good luck, bro. Oh, thanks, man, Sammy. All right, guys. Well, what a bounce! I want to pull back here. 5-point bounce and a 5 points pullback. Incredible, guys. This is just insane. I'm gonna exit my trade here. At the break even, guys. Break even. Fiber Splice Gold, Zogzo, badass. Ooh, holy, yeah, that's right. Holy mochaccino. Captain Price. All right, great to see y'all back again today. Asia market, guys. I want to try and see if I can actually get to the RTY. The Russell is probably looking weaker. But let's just trade the gold. Oh, sorry, the NQ for now. $5.30. Pretty slow. Not moving anything at the moment. Wow. Is this all we gonna get into FOMC, guys? Is this what it is? Wow, what a bullish. Woo! Great. Yeah, guys. That's 100 points move to the upside. Nice. I like that. Incredible. Wow, what a great move, guys. What a beautiful bounce. Oh, it's only about 2 points. But guys, man, the market is as I was kind of expecting, not much at the moment. It's kind of stuck in that 526. Yeah, I agree. You got to be careful today, guys. Guys, I'm gonna place my limit order.
Order working.
We'll try to see. I'm gonna try and short this on a bounce, guys. Back into the 537. Look to see if I can actually short this bounce right in that pivot area. And look to see if we can actually pull back all the way down to 500. I am leaning more towards the market grinding down today, and the market may try to bounce into the tomorrow cash, and then it's gonna sit back up to say if we pull back 50 points tonight. Let's just say we bounce 50 points back up again and just sit there until the actual FOMC. And then the FOMC, if I have to make an assumption now, if I'm kind of forced to make an assumption now, I'm almost kind of leaning more towards initial FOMC, the market rips to the upside, take everybody out, and maybe it's a bigger bounce, flush everybody out, break out completely, and then reverse back down so hard. It's just gonna shock everybody. Or we just keep moving to the upside. Let's just see. Who knows? We may probably get up to 28,000. Nobody knows, but I'm just saying, right? This could be a play, right? It's gonna be an interesting day tomorrow, man. I think tomorrow is not just gonna be an FOMC. I think it's just a lot more than just an FOMC, right? We got a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. So without going into too much details, I've talked about that this morning, but I think it's pretty interesting FOMC moving into tomorrow. I wouldn't want to touch. The only thing that I'm going to try and do is I'm going to play, probably I end up risking one funded account. Try to go limit order. I'm going to place limit order every 50 points. Every 50 points, I'm going to place my limit orders. I don't know if it's going to be MNQ or NQ. One of the two, right? So I'm going to make sure if I get squeezed, I can still survive that. And then the market dumps, I'm at a big profit, you know what I mean? So that's what I want to try and do with the funded account one, once we get to the FOMC. You know, we'll see. If I blow, then that's fine, but at least I have a chance of making some decent profit tomorrow. Don't really have a chance with my XFA, unfortunately. I do actually have a chance. I don't know, my XFA actually survived. I don't know if you guys noticed, but... And I bought 2 combine too. this little bit later, before it got closed. I didn't have a lot of time to kind of play that accounts, but... This is the account. I made 241 today. I was down 831. So after a good 45 days of trading this account, oh man, I got down one day out of all the days, man. I've been trading this account, right? So this is what happened, and here I am down 830 bucks yesterday, and today I got $241. I almost ended up losing this account, but somehow magically survived this account. So up total, I've got balance $700. So I may try to YOLO this as well. Nobody knows. We'll try to YOLO this as well. Maybe that's probably the account to do that tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. Where is my trade right now? Oh, there we go. All right. So we get a little bounce. Nothing really too meaningful at the moment. Helen, what up? What is up, Helen? NLT, man, what is going on, guys? Monica, how was your day, man? My day was, I don't know, my day was bad. Oh, I don't even want to think about my day. I completely forgot, guys. Do not remind me of my day today. I scrambled so bad today, this morning. If you guys want to find out how I trade every New York, come on to my stream in the morning and hang out for 5 minutes. You guys gonna find out if I'm doing okay or not. Easily. Get the hell out of here. Just the right. His royal traits. What is up, man? Stock Tiger. What up? John in the house. J. Are you trading your TPT tomorrow? Honestly, I'm not sure, man. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do with Take Profit Trader. Let's take a look at my Take Profit Trader here, guys. Man, I am so pissed. I lost my Bulanox funded account today. But anyways, a long story short, I'm not going to talk about it too much. I'm not going to talk about it. But I also ended up losing my Take Profit Trader. I know there's quite a few of you guys. You guys were there this morning, but I ended up losing one of my pro accounts, man. I ended up almost losing, and I got it back. Holy. So I'm safe with 3 pro accounts now, and I've got other 2 evals in the works. Hopefully I pass this too. I'm gonna have 2 150s and 3 50s. I may try to YOLO tomorrow morning. I don't know, so it really depends. But if I do that, guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna place my limit order, and I'm gonna shut down my computer. I tell you what. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do, guys. I am gonna freaking shut down my computer, guys. Shut down my computer after placing my limit order, and then walk away. I'm never gonna come back. And I'm gonna come back at the end of the day, restart my computer, and I'm gonna look at that. I'm gonna look at that beautiful PNL, and I'll be like, "Oh yeah, let's go." Yeah, but I haven't decided yet what I'm gonna do, guys. I haven't decided. FOMC, I may not even trade at all, really. I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know if it's worth the risk to try and trade funded accounts during FOMC. Just one of those things. I'm like, I don't know if that's worth it, guys. I may not try to play games tomorrow. Maybe better off try to just play the evals and just stay out of the funded accounts, because I worked so hard, guys. If you just think about it, guys, man, it's 16 days now through this month, but all of us, including myself, we worked so hard to build the funded accounts. Does this funded accounts deserve to get busted tomorrow in one single day? Honestly, I don't know, man. You know what I mean? Like, if you think of it from that perspective, I'm like, you know what? This funded accounts deserve a much better treatment than just get ruined tomorrow. Hell, not worth it. Oh my god, Jay. Pretty near. You can't trade FOMC with, well, you cannot trade 2 minutes before and after, I think, but you can still trade FOMC right after the FOMC is over, right? I think this market's gonna move only after the FOMC is done, right? It's not gonna be like, you know, I think it's the first 2 minutes. Are we even not allowed to trade Take Profit Trader? I think you're allowed to trade Take Profit Trader during FOMC. You know, it's not like reports, you know what I mean? Like CPI comes in, boom, and then it's done. But I think you're trading FOMC. FOMC runs for what again? It's that report, I think. It's the FOMC interest rate decision. That's for like 2 minutes and then it's done. And then it really boils down to the conference call, right? Then you said you would set a limit and leave. I may. Pretty near X, I may. I haven't decided yet, but I may. Are we getting a little bounce, guys, into the pivot? Full tilt features. What is up, man? Drinky. I mean, what have you been working hard for if not to give the market back all your profits? I'm not sure what you mean. Justin Wright, 77 Blue Phoenix in the house. JJJ, no stop loss for what? Here? Nope. Monica, you're down on funding ticks today. 480 bucks, 2 days green and 1 day red. I need 3 more 150s to get my payout. What is the total profits that you have, Monica, on that funding ticks? And by the way, they've got a specific date you can actually request a payout, right? So it's not gonna be like you trade 3 days and all of a sudden you can end up requesting a payout. They've got dates and you have to fall in that date. Unfortunately, I've got one account right now that I can request a payout, but I have to trade 1 more day, and now I'm gonna have to wait another few days to request the payout on that. But I've got I'm getting pretty close to 5 accounts with funding ticks right now. Look forward to that. Fiverr Splice Gold, what up, man? Thank you, guys. Yeah, I mean, I ran my own business, so bad. And I got yeah, I do a little bit of adjustments to my schedule now. Got stuff in my house as well, so. Jay, might be worth, it's just 1 funded account. Yeah, maybe we'll think about it. You know, think about it. If I have a good day today and tomorrow morning, then I may end up going after 1 funded account, maybe. Or if I pass a whole bunch of Tradify accounts, man, guys, man, I've got lots of Tradify accounts in the work right now. It's kind of, I'm building, and I've got, oh, I'm down 180 bucks on this account right now. Nothing really, not a big deal, guys. Just 180 bucks. A casual little 180 bucks, guys. Come on. And that's right, Jay. That's right. Without going into too much details. I want to try trading Russell going forward. I kind of like that ticker. I don't know why, but I still like it. Everybody, do not forget to smack that like, everyone, for the stream, for Stock Tiger in the house. Love you guys. Thank you so much for being here today. And thank you so much for not being on my New York stream. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I am so kidding. Sorry, guys. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Maybe I shouldn't have said that, guys. Maybe. Right? But thank you so much, man. Today was my first real stream with my using my main channel. The main channel was born last year in the month of November. Well, not November. In the month of October. It's pretty close to 1 year now. It's almost 1 year anniversary of my main channel. Oh dear, I lost 2 Billionox funded accounts, man. I lost 1 last night, Billionox funded account through trading gold. And this morning, I lost one as well, so I'm down to, I've lost 2 funded accounts. But at least you know what the nice thing is? I lost only 2 funded accounts in the last 2 weeks, man. I'm incredibly grateful that I lost hardly any funded accounts. You know what I mean? Like, can this get any better? I mean, yes, I am disappointed at myself for losing the funded account, but the fact that I've only lost 2, actually I lied. I probably ended up losing a few, but very few, right, in the last couple of weeks. So I'm very grateful. That's what it is. I spent a lot less. Now I'm just gonna have to just build the funded accounts, guys, to see if I can actually get to some decent payouts, man. Apex, hopefully we get it done. Hopefully in the next 8 days. I'm gonna try my level best. This is a 2-day. This is the second day after getting payout denial on my Apex. This is my well, technically this is my 3rd day now. So trading my 3rd day on my Apex, right? 3rd day, guys. And I've made like a couple $100s on each of my freaking accounts that I've got on my Apex. So, and I haven't done any of that crazy, silly violation that Apex is talking about. I've not done any, you know, those funky DCA that, you know, I enjoy doing, like adding order field like 20 million times. I don't do that with Apex accounts because I don't want to get into any of the, I don't want to give any reason for anybody to deny my payouts. Guys, that's what it's going to be. So hopefully in the next this is my 3rd day trading Apex now after getting denied. So 5 more days, guys. 5 more days and then it's gonna look pretty. Roa, man, how many accounts did you get paid, bro? Good job, man. Yeah, all my payout requests that I made all got denied. All of them. Let me see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 denials. But it's fine, guys. It's fine. It's okay. It's capito, guys, man. I'm building my empire. Oh, by the way, Roa Trades is a super duper trader with Apex, and I think Bowser also a great trader with Apex as well. What is the how many trades? How many days of trading to request the next payout? Was it 5 days or 8 days? Man, I'm so off with Apex, man. It's been a long time since I well, not a really long time, but I mean, it's been a while since I requested a payout with Apex, right? So you guys let me know. Another 8 days. Oh, I see. But what trade? You just said 5 days of $50. What does that mean? 5 days, $50 to flip. Oh, okay. Flip 3 days. Oh, but somebody's gonna let me know. Somebody did mention last night, telling me that if you get denied on all your, let's say, if you get denied on your account today, the next payout request that I make, I am not, well, I cannot touch the profits that I made prior to getting denied. Is that right? Can somebody confirm? Maybe Bowser or Roa can confirm that, but I hope that's not the case. I mean, even if that's the case, it's fine. I mean, I can still request it on my 3rd payout, I guess, but just saying. All right, guys. 540, man. We're getting a little bounce. Trying to, I guess this is trying to break out of this level now. Bullish tonight, is that what it is, guys? Let's try to YOLO this account right here. Man, what the hell is that? Bounce 544. You got paid before and after getting denied. So what does that mean? Most people waiting for sell the news event and this parabolic trading with Dr. Doom. Just a personal thoughts. Yeah, I mean that's a pretty reasonable, I would say. Yeah, I'm not sure raw trades. I don't know what you mean by you got paid before and after getting denied. I'm a bit confused. Meaning I did 5 days of $50 and flipped 3 days and they paid me my 2K. So you can still touch your original profits, right? I guess that's what I'm kind of reading right now. So even if you get denied and your next payout, you can still touch the profits that you made prior to getting denied as well. That's what I think it is, man. I don't think that rule has changed. And guess what, guys? If that is the case, man, holy mochaccino, guys, it's gonna look beautiful. I've got how many, guys? $2,000. That's gonna be. Oh, you haven't had any issues? That's right. Lower trades, man. I knew it, guys. So there we go. I'm gonna be able to request $2 grand payouts, $2 grand on each of my freaking accounts. That's gonna be over $20,000, guys, man. I can't wait for that one. If I get that $20,000 payout, guys, in the next 5 days, it's gonna be huge. Put it that way. It's gonna be a huge month. I could probably get to 40K if that is the case. I look forward to that one for sure. Anyways, guys, back to my trading now. We're down with negative 2 mini contracts. I'm down. We're sitting at 540 here. The market's trying to hold, but guess what, guys? I'm gonna try and add to my position on a bounce. We'll see what happens. Just do raw trades, Bowser. Don't sweat it. Just keep trading. Yeah, just keep trading for $50. Yeah, I've been making a couple $100 to be honest. That's good. It's looking good so far. I like what I see. You know, I mean, it's so much easier to kind of like trade for $50, $100 when you have this many profits already there for you. You know what I mean? It's like, how hard can it be to get $100? $400, how hard can it be? These are all pretty much at $54,000 now, pretty close to that number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I can't wait, guys. I can't wait for the payout. And honestly, I can't wait for my 25 funded accounts, man. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys. Thank you so much for all your support, everybody. And thank you guys for being here as well this afternoon. Alfred, man, I want to get to Pro Plus, man. I just can't do that. I don't know. I'm just not good at it, right? At some point, I think I could be like Alfred Haywood. Get to the Pro Plus. I just can't do it right now. I don't know why. Maybe right now, maybe I get a chance. I'll try my level best, guys. You know how much I'm working so hard to get up there. I want to get to the Pro Plus. Oh, by the way, Alfred, can you actually trade your pro account on for FOMC? Can we trade? I don't know, man. I only have $700, so I don't know if I can do that with this Express account that I've got right now. I've only got $700 drawdown. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure, guys. I am so tempted to try and do better, but it's scary. I don't think this is gonna survive if I try to go if I try to play FOMC tomorrow. Who knows? You know what I mean? Who knows? But I may try. I'll give it a try. I'll probably place a whole bunch of limit orders with one mini contract. Well, sorry, not one mini, one micro. I could try that, guys. I'm gonna try and YOLO tomorrow on my Top Step XFA with a whole bunch of micro NQ all the way up, every 10 points or every 15 points, I'm gonna be like limit order, and then it squeezes, and when you start to get a pullback, it's gonna be incredible. That's gonna be huge P&L. We'll see how that goes. This is gonna be a lot of fun for sure. Fade gold, man. I don't want to touch gold at all, guys. Please do not talk to me about gold. Please stop. Please stop. No more gold. What is gold, by the way? What is gold? Does gold mean disaster? I don't want to take a look at the gold. As soon as I take a look at the gold, it's like I've got to get into a trade. What is this with gold? Like, what is the matter? Like, what's there in this gold that's making you like, okay, I've got to get into a trade with gold? I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe it's just maybe a little bit of a bad habit that I had long time ago, and it's like coming back to me. I don't know what it is, man. Oh yeah, maybe ban gold. Yeah, maybe I can do that. I forgot how to do that. I'll find out. Yeah, I'll find out. Bob, what is up, man? After you stopped the stream last night, gold went crazy. Yeah, that's what I ended up losing my account. I was like, you know what? You guys been talking so great about great things about gold. I was like, you know what? Let me just give myself another chance. I kind of felt like, you know, maybe I can do well as well. You know, maybe I can do as good as you guys do. And they got into gold, and guess what happened? As soon as I got into the gold, it did not really take me a lot of time to blow it. You know, it went pretty wild, pretty quick, and I was out of my lock gold on your XFA. I'm gonna trade FOMC, man. XFA. I'm gonna be placing my XFA trading. Oh man, look at this, guys. We're getting a squeeze now. Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, the gold and me does not mix very well too. Spare ace, I'm with you on that one. I just don't mingle well at all. You know, there's absolutely zero momentum in gold. I don't know, something about gold just makes me tough to trade. Lone, what up, man? Final countdown in the house, man. What is up? Mike Cool. Roa trades. Full porting 250k Zivels. Holy Mochaccino. That's hard. Justin, right? Hey man, you're already in Pro Plus trade. Don't you worry, hon. You're gonna get it, bro. You've got it. Justin, right? You've got it. Jay. Faisal, what up, Faisal? What is going on, man? Out of 4. Oh, Faisal, you long? Damn, guys. Faisal, you long right now in Tradify? Took a long on a Pro Plus? Really? You guys are trading your funded accounts right now? You crazy? Man, I can't believe I lost my Billionox accounts, man. I'm so upset at myself, but you know what? You guys are doing well, that's fine. Roa trades taking a payout on Billionox, really? That's sick, man. Incredible. You guys are doing so much better than I am. Hey, man, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. I'm happy for you guys for doing that. A big man in the house, man. Long time no see, bro. What the hell were you? It's the wrong time to be. Oh man, man. What was that? What was that dump right before the close in this market today? All right, guys, I'm full porting. I'm full porting. What is up, Harry DV? What's on track? You play? I don't remember the name though. Sorry, man. Once my stream is over, you can just take a look at my description. It should be there. It tells you. Michael, what up, man? Just rotating accounts right now. Taking. Oh yeah, I mean that's a great idea, Michael. Great job. Looks like this is gonna hit DLL now. Just looking for a bounce back into the 555s and try to short that from there. What a bounce in this market, man, after a big dump. What was that dump towards the end of the day today? What a manipulation, man. Resistance building at 555. Yeah, exactly. All PS gone. What does that mean, Kid Poker? I hope that doesn't mean your performance accounts. I hope that isn't the case. Trading carry is over. Come on, Kid Poker. It isn't over until it's over. You still have a chance. You're a great trader. I know you're the best trader. Four of the trackers are in a garage watching you and trading. Oh my god, Vic, man, you're definitely making me nervous. I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes now because we got Vic Med and 4 truckers watching me. I'm gonna make a lot of silly mistakes now, guys. Too much pressure. Too much pressure in the house. Michael testing off funded next rapid challenge. Guys, man, I'm telling you, I tried to load in a funded next account today, and I was like, you know what? It's freaking so expensive. Like, what the hell is going on, guys, man? The price is just not okay. What kind of an offer do we have? The rapid challenge was like $249. After discount was like $229. Are you paying over $200 for a 50K account size? Does that even make sense? Please correct me if I'm wrong. I was like, you know what? There's no way in the world I'm going to be getting into funded next now with that sort of an offer you have. Yeah, even if it's 25K, it doesn't matter. It's hard. I don't think I want to be paying anything for funding ticks now. Oh, sorry, funded account, funded next. Jeez, guys, these names are absolutely annoying. Too many firms out there with too many similar names. Funded ticks, funded next, funded poo poo. Like, what else do we have? Damn it, guys, we're getting a pullback now after me getting into a long trade. This is what it's all about. Stock Tiger goes long, the market dumps. Try to go long, try to short this market, the market pumps. Great job, man, Stock Tiger. I'm definitely a better trader, I think, New York, for sure. Asian market has not been great for Stock Tiger lately. I hope I get lucky here, guys. I hope I get lucky. Maybe squeeze into the 555 before we get a pullback. Maybe kind of save me. Maybe kind of save me, guys. Please. Is it worth it though? Like $70 for 25K? I mean, of course, when the smaller the size gets, it's cheaper, but $70, I don't know, man. I almost like I paid $61 for for a 50K account on funding ticks. Like, I don't see a reason why. I don't know, man. I just can't do the math right now. I'm not okay to pay $70 for a 25K account. There must be a good reason why I should be. If you guys are paying that much for these accounts, like, there must be a good reason why you guys are doing that. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to figure that out. Like, honestly, man, I'm telling you guys, I was just about to load in an account with Funded Next this little bit later after the market closed, and I was like, you know what? Funded Next is one firm that I'm kind of looking at it very seriously, and then it's like, every time I try to get loaded in an account, it's like so expensive. I was like, what the hell's going on here? They keep promoting there's an offer, but there's no offer. Over $200 on a 50K. I can't pay that. I can't pay that. Like I said again, funding ticks, I'm paying $61 in the Hala for a 50K account with a 1K max payout cap, of course, but still, $61, that's what I pay. I'm okay to pay that much, and then the reset is like $50 on the funding ticks. The reset on your 50K. So I don't know if I'm okay to pay $200 on 50K. $70 out of 25, it's still the same thing. It's like, oh, it's not juicy. I don't like that. I don't like that, guys. Nate, man, top 1 Ignite. Jesus, Ignite. What is Ignite? What a nice names there. 20 XF2, but cap payout. Yeah, I'm not interested in that cap payout. It gets worse. 60-40 split. On what account are you talking about? On what firm? Who the hell is gonna buy that account with 60-40 split, man? There's no way in the world I'm gonna be doing that. Yeah, exactly, Big Man. Funding takes $50,000 account for $61 with no activation fee, and the resets got even better. $51. I'm like, how am I gonna pay $70 for a 25K account on some firm? It's hard, guys. It's hard. I find it hard to pay. But I'm like, with all seriousness though, I'm really looking for like a couple more firms, man. I really need some couple more firms as a backup. You know what I mean? Like, I know I have quite a few now. I've got Tradify, I've got Funding Ticks, I've got Top Step, I've got Take Profit Trader, I've got Bullanox, and I've got what else? Apex, right? That's already itself is like 6 firms, but I still need about 2 or 3 firms, man. 2 or 3 strong firms that's gonna kind of like, you know, play as a backup. And I need a backup firms, you know, something that I feel comfortable paying for that price. But so far I haven't found anybody, you know. So far I haven't found anybody. So, oh guys, look at this pump in the market. Holy mochaccino, guys.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
I went long as well somewhere. I can't remember exactly. Oh, there we go, guys, man. Ooh, I took that profit pretty quickly there. Nice, guys. I like it, guys. Hey, man, never give up spirit, guys. I went long little. Ah, I jigged myself. Pulling back here, guys. Pulling back. We're hitting that resistance here at 555, guys.
Order working.
But I'm gonna try and leave one. I'm gonna try and take profits. If you get a little bounce, 553. And then exit my trade with a nice beautiful back to break even, guys. Apex is great due to the fact that you can have 20 accounts. Yeah, exactly, Michael. Honestly, keep in mind, guys, man, 14 months ago I was only trading Apex. I wasn't trading anybody else 14 months ago, and one firm was good enough to get me a payout. But those were days where those were good days. I don't know if you guys were there, but those are fun days, man. Those days were like no safety net required. It's like whatever you make, you take him out. You take him out and you blow your accounts. I would take my money out and I would just blow those accounts like left, right, and center. Those were extremely fun days, guys. You know what? I was like all over Apex, man. I was the biggest fan you can ever find. Apex was like, you know, it was like $15. It was actually $16, right? $16 on your 50K accounts. And it would be $16 across the board. Whether it's 250s or 300s or whatever it may be. It doesn't matter. All account size, $16. And lifetime activation was 85 across the board. And guess what? They would have that offer every month. Incredible. Now, those days are over, guys. Those days are over, everybody. Are we gonna get a pullback here, guys? Those are definitely fun days, yeah. Funded family futures, 50% off 50K. I don't know. Big man, you hit $550. Nice, man. 550 was your target. Guys, man, I may have to exit this trade or what now? Or are we actually going to get a continued pullback here? Man, I'm scrambling. I'm really scrambling here. Let's try to exit this trade right here, guys. Oh man, I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, guys. I may have to hold this, or what now? I'm gonna exit this trade. I'm gonna exit this trade, guys. I exited that trade. Damn it. You know what, guys? What I've noticed, we are actually getting a pretty decent sized volatility here, guys. I'm down about $600 on this account, but I'm still. Oh, I only have $800 drawdown.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Alright, guys, I'm shorting right now. I'm shorting.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
If we get a bounce, I think I'm gonna lose this account, which is not the end of the world. But I like to take my chances. I like to take my chances here. Oh man, what a bounce! Damn it. Wow, incredible. Yeah, back to tilt mode, guys. I'm definitely tilting, which is fine. It's part of the program right now. I'm willing to lose a couple evals between now through tomorrow, and this could be the first one to lose. First one to say goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Make or break, guys. We gotta something's gotta break right now. Oh man, I wish I had. Well, I wish I had long. Let's see, guys. We're hitting that. We pulled back all the way down to the pivot, so maybe see ourselves pull back into the 540s. Maybe, I don't know. I'll try to retest the 551. That's gonna be monster. I don't know, man. I'm hopping on a short, guys. I'm short.
Order working. Order working.
Do not ask me why Stock Tiger is shorting. I am shorting right now. Alfred Haywood, yeah. Oversizing is part of my DNA. Ben Emmons, tilt mode activated. Absolutely, sir. It's back to midget, man. Guys, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's have some fun. I know during this process I'm gonna screw up a few, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna try and be aggressive today. We'll try to see if we can actually make something out of this, guys. Michael. All right, guys. Let's see if we get a little bit of a flush back into the 543. That's literally about 3 points, man. Come on. Can this market not even give us a 3 points dump? I'll be very upset if you don't do that. I'm gonna get mad at Jay for not getting a pullback 3 points, man. I'm gonna get very upset if it doesn't do that right now, guys. Anybody loading some accounts for FOMC tomorrow? Anybody? I'm just curious. I am just curious. Oh, and by the way, I cannot request a 2K payouts on my Apex because I think it's you gotta have minimum 52,100, right? So I've got to be over $4,100 to request $2,000 of payout on each of my accounts. So I completely forgot about that, which is fine. Oh man, look at that, guys. We had a nice little rip here. Well, not a rip. I pulled back here 543 and then obviously got a bounce, man. What a shame. Oh, are we gonna get a bounce? Is it gonna? Is this going to take me out? Maybe I got filled on one of them. No, I didn't even get filled any of these guys, man. So shame. This is gonna blow now. Oh, there. Oh, what happened? I still have 170 bucks. What happened, guys? I've got trailer door that 170 bucks. Oh, it's a DLL. Damn it, guys, it's DLL. All right, so that account's gone.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled. Order rejected. Order working. 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 Order working.
All right. Another stab. Let's go, baby. Yeah, that's. I think that hit. I think that account got hit by DLL. Man, what kind of price action is this, man? Are you kidding me? Maybe I'm playing the wrong game here. Maybe I'm playing the wrong game, guys. It's only about 4 or 5 points, but then my account's getting blown, so I don't think this is the right thing to do right now. I think I'm on a wrong kind of a play. Something's weird. Something's not right about this. We'll see. Let's see if I can actually make this happen right now, guys. It's weird, but it is what it is. Hold on one second. I'm trying to... Are we going to get any sort of a bounce or what now, guys? I need a little bounce, man. At least 4 points, man. You can't do that for Stock Tiger and for the stream as well. Everybody's watching. I've got to get at least 4 points, man. I'm gonna get embarrassed. I'm gonna be embarrassed if we don't get a bounce. Stock Tiger's gonna get embarrassed, everybody. Oh my God, Yuri's in the house. Yor, what is up, man? Where the heck were you, bro? It's been a long time. I haven't seen you in a while. Holy. Yor is in the house, guys. Number 1 options trader. Mr. Yor in the house. All right, man. I think Yor got mad. I didn't say he's a number 1 options trader. I've got to do that more often now. So you're number 1 now. You're welcome back. Holy man, it took a long freaking time. G Brand Shafiq, what up, man? Sam J, what is up, man? Yeah, man. Today's morning trade was not bad. I wasn't like, yeah, I kind of lost my emotions, I'll be honest, this morning for about 30 minutes. but I was a little bit mad at myself. But everything was just back to normal. I didn't really have a bad day per se, but I got into some weird trades, couple weird trades, and that couple weird trades got me, end up losing my accounts. So it's, I'm not obviously worried about eval, but I mean, I lost funded account on my master Bjorn Rocks, so that kind of hurts. And I had a pretty decent sized profits on that account too. You know what I mean? Like, I had how much on that one? I had $2,500 drawdown on that freaking account, and I ended up losing that. It's doesn't make you okay. You know what I mean? You get a little bit of an emotional disruption, if you will. But that only lasted for about 30 minutes, and then everything just went back to normal. And today, right now, I just want to remind everybody that I'm trying to YOLO some couple accounts, whether it's good or bad. I may end up losing 1 or 2 accounts, but it's fine. This is part of the plan. And I said to myself, I'm willing to lose 1 or 2 accounts today, and then we'll see if I can quickly try to turn an eval to funded accounts today. That's great. If I don't, then you know what? I'm gonna risk a couple accounts. But I did not think this account's gonna blow that quickly on this 2 that I have right now. I was definitely surprised that this has happened. This account, the first one I had, I'd lost $1,300, but then that actually ended up blowing too. So it's kind of weird. Man, this price action. Maybe it's the wrong time to be YOLOing, I guess, right? Trying to go port, full port, and sort of a. This is not even a chop right now, I guess. So I'm kind of like wasting my. I don't know what it is, man. It's only like a couple points, but then this couple points is blowing my accounts. I can't believe that. It's literally about 4 or 5 points. Maybe we get a little bounce here, and that's what I am kind of leaning to. But if we get a dump here, man, this account's gonna go as well, and that's gonna be like not a great thing for me. I'm down about $300 on this right here. Having a hard time trying to get a bounce. I don't know. After this, I'm gonna go play my 150k take profit trader account. Once I'm done trading this account right now, guys, we'll look for a trading. We'll look to trade. Oh, guys, man, it's getting filled. What is this, man? I'm supposed to be up, but then I think the commission is kind of eating up my profits. Still down, even after. Yeah, I've got to trade my combines too this today. Trade my combines. I've got to trade my take profit trader. I really have to get this take profit trader passed to this today. We'll try to make it happen today and tomorrow. I don't know. I'm gonna put my focus and attention to evals, to be honest, in the next few days. And listen to the FOMC, and then FOMC I'll try to risk one funded account, and that's why I'm trying to push my evals to funded account as quickly as I can. Mr. You're in the house, man. Dan Emmons, they're just 1 or 2 points move. I know exactly, man. It's 1 or 2 points move, and it's like racking my accounts right now. I lost one on my account here. How is that even be possible? I'm gonna have to place a limit order here, guys. I don't think placing market orders is working out. I'm kind of losing on commissions, and the fields are bad. So I'm gonna have to place a limit order once my trading is done on this one.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we'll see, guys. Let's see if I'm out on my other one. Yeah, this is just incredible, guys, man. I've got 30 micro here, and it's just not even getting filled. I don't know if I'm gonna be willing to risk. I'm gonna cancel that.
Cancel.
I'm not willing to risk that much. Let's see, guys. Let's see if we get to 555. Right? 555. Or maybe we get a pull back here before we do that. Marcin, why are you not trading your real money account? I trade my real money accounts for equities. Right? For equities. For futures, I use my prop firm accounts. I like it that way, and I'll continue doing that way. And I don't think that's ever going to change for me unless there's a significant change in the rules. So that's what I do. You know, it's like split between the personal and the prop firm space trading. The futures I trade with the prop firm, and the personal live account I trade with equities, right? And it's working out pretty nicely. All the profits I make on my prop firm space futures trading, I reroute it to my personal live account to trade equities, right? And my equities tradings are all swing trades. I don't day trade mostly now. Swing trade only. Couple weeks, couple months, depending on what sort of a stock you're kind of getting into. Well, that's what I do, and it's working out pretty nicely. You know, I'm not gonna complain about it, right? As long as I'm banking on my prop firm space, and that process isn't gonna change for Stock Tiger. That's gonna continue that way for a long time. What is OF account, Coach Fred? What does that mean? OF. Zivente, what is up, man? Mark Cohen. Oh, Mark Sin, sorry. Dushembel Michel, how heavy are you gonna go evals? Not really. It's not gonna be heavy. It's just gonna be trading the way I normally do, but maybe slightly more, I guess. Risking a little bit more accounts because I don't think it's. I don't want to just continue trading with my evals, at least for the next few weeks. So I'm kind of like trying to get everything to the funded accounts and try to trade funded accounts only, because I need payouts. You know, we're not here to just sit and keep trading evals. At the end of the day, we gotta get payouts, and in order to get payouts, you need funded accounts. And if you want payouts through funded accounts, we have to be able to trade funded accounts more regular. You know what I mean? So you gotta get away from spending the time and energy trading evals. You gotta get to the funded accounts. That's what I'm gonna try and do in the next few days, so I can kind of like put myself into like 25 to 30 funded accounts, and just stop loading any evals going forward, and just focus primarily on my funded accounts for the next 15 days or so. And that of course includes my Apex accounts as well. And Apex is a big one because that's like a big stake, you know, like a huge. I've got a huge payout at stake here with Apex. Not that it's gonna be a huge pressure to kind of like trade better with Apex, but I'm just saying that's a lot of profits on that account. You know what I mean? Like I've got lots of accounts at over $4,000 of profits right now, so it's I definitely have to put my attention to Apex accounts. And then we'll see how it goes, right? And I'm gonna try and quickly pass my combine too. I've got 2 combines handy here. I'm gonna have to work on this combine. 2 combines, so hopefully I get 3 express accounts with Top Step in the next day or 2. And then hopefully I can get also to about 4 or 5. 4 or 5 35 funded accounts. And I had 4 Bulanox master accounts. I lost 2. And so I've got only 2, but those 2 are over $2,700 of profit. So I just got an email from Bulanox to activate the next 2 evals that I obviously passed a while ago. So I'm gonna have to. I'm just thinking about whether do I pay 148 for Bulanox new funded accounts now, or do I wait for the payout for the first 2 that I have right here. right? I've got $2,700 across 2 master accounts. Maybe I'm probably better off to trade those 2 accounts maybe before I activate these other 2. So we'll see how that goes. And of course, I've got 5 funding ticks, funded accounts as well. So I've got to be trading those. And not to mention Take Profit Trader as well. Guys, Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I did, Jay. I used to play. Not anymore, though. Big man, what is going on? Zevent. He's just trading evals here, but what? Somebody complaining? Somebody complaining about how a stock tiger is trading? Huh? Is that what it is? I have no idea how you are profitable, man. You are literally the luckiest trader. Yes, I'm the luckiest trader, bro. Thank you so much, bro. Mehdi El Metrabi. I'm the most luckiest trader, man. Thank you so much, brother. Get the hell out of here. Get the hell out of here. Coach Fred, you can wait for Billanox. They will send you the link again. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of thinking. I'm not really sure, but keep in mind you have to still trade 10 days, right, with Billanox accounts. I'm like, you know what? Should I pay? Maybe because it's 10 days, you gotta trade 10 days. Maybe I pay now and trade slowly, or maybe not. I'm not sure. But it's pricey though, right? 148, man. 148 times 2, that's literally about $300 you're kind of paying for just 2 accounts. Where's the hair? Duff's Trader, man. It's here. It's right here with me. Mike Henston, what up, man? Talk to passive else these days, yeah. With this sort of a price action that we're getting lately, and if you are a little bit more aggressive than usual, then yeah, it's gonna be hard. You know, it's easy to blow accounts in this sort of a market chop or market environment. It's kind of hard, and I understand what you're trying to say. It's not easy. Perfect play is 65. There you go. The winner goes to perfect play. Nice. Neural apps are past reval. Guys, what this market's trying to do now? Holy, man. Are you kidding me? It's literally in that 2 points, man. It's just no point in trying to trade this. I kind of feel like I'm wasting my my account for no reason. This is like... All right, I do not want to waste this other account that I have that I'm trading right now. Hopefully we get a little pop and so I can get out of my trade. I wait 4 mini contracts, so I don't think I'm going to end up losing this account, to be honest with you. Unless we get a big dump in this market, then that's a different little different conversation. But man, how is it so hard to make $500-600 with 4 mini contracts, man? But when I'm down quite a bit. Interesting enough. Always better to start Billanox near the end of the week. Is there a particular reason why? Won any trades? What up? Dan Ammons. Asia has been this way for months. Oh yeah, we've got Nikkei open in about an hour, so that's good. At least one good news, guys. At least we got Asia. Nikkei open in about an hour, so that's good. One good news we've got right now. Want to see a drop to 540? Oh dear. I don't want any drop right now, guys. I'm not interested in blowing any of my accounts. Please stop. Stop. The Shambel Michelle, It's FOMC tomorrow. Are you trading during Joe Powell? I will not be trading tomorrow. I'll be trading mostly using my phone. I'll be trading mostly using my phone. So hopefully I don't wreck my accounts tomorrow, man. I have a bad feeling. Like, I shouldn't be saying this, but I have a bad feeling I'm gonna blow some accounts tomorrow, man. I have a bad feeling. I'm not talking about evals. Who cares about evals? I'm talking about my funded accounts, man. I have a bad feeling, so that's why I'm like, you know what? I better stay away from trading tomorrow. But I am willing to take a stab at one single account, one funded account. That could be the XFA tomorrow. I've got $700 drawdown remaining on this XFA. I may use that to kind of YOLO into the FOMC, so we'll see how that goes. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm surprised firms are not promoting heavily sales. Yeah, I know, guys, man. I'm surprised that we have no offer right now. Does anybody know any big offers from the main firms? I haven't seen anybody promoting anything. Bullanox is still 80%. Apex is still 80% as well, with the high activation fee. I mean, the cheapest one I have right now is the funding ticks at $61 on a 50k account. That's the only thing that I have, but we don't have anything else other than these, guys, man. It's been I don't know. ETF is doing 90% off, really? Guys, man, ETF, my code is Tiger. If you guys want to use ETF, my ETF code is Tiger, guys. My ETF code is Tiger, everybody. Please stop. All right, I just got an email from Bullanox saying that we are sorry to see your account closed. Too bad. And at the same time, they sent me an email saying, hey, we got a new master account set up for you. Go ahead and pay your invoice. I'm like, maybe not now. Perfect play. Any trades? What up, Chris in the house, man? Bullanox require 10 days and need to request by Friday. Oh, I see. So starting on Thursday, Friday saves you 3 days. Oh, I see. That's right. That is right. How much is Bullanox? Is 148 on their account. Guys, man, can we just literally get a pump here, guys, to back to 550 so I can kind of walk away with this account? I'm getting a little tired now because I want to move on to my Tech Profit Trader account. Do you guys actually see this market getting a bounce or what? Man, I'm a little nervous about this price action, to be honest. I kind of feel like this could be a pretty risky trade. We could literally dump and reverse back up again, right? I can't believe how slow this Asian market has been lately, guys, man. It's incredible. Like, honestly, I'm starting to kind of like worry about trading Asian market anymore at this point with how the stuff is going on right now. This is literally about 3 points move. Well, this is not even a 3 points move, guys, man. It's literally 2 points, and I'm losing my accounts even with 2 or 3 points move. I can't believe that, guys. Broccoli Main, what is up, man? Just got a buffer above 100k TPT. Nice, nice, nice. Great job. It can go sideways until Tokyo. Honestly, I don't even know what this Tokyo is gonna do, man. Does Tokyo really have what it takes to get a balance this market? I don't know, man. It's hard. Yeah, I don't know. I had somebody tell me try to trade the 15 seconds or something like that. That's a lot of noise. If 1 minute is a noise, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, it's a much bigger noise. Guys, we're getting a pullback here, man. What a nasty little pullback here. I hate it sometimes. Oh, man, it's so hard. It's hard watching this freaking market, guys. This chart is just incredible. I'm not even looking at the chat right now. I'm sorry. I'm not even looking at the chart. I'm looking at the chat. I'm like, I'm tired of this. Mental, any traits, it's all up here, bro. It's all up here. It doesn't have to be hard stop right now. Harvey, you lost more accounts in Asia. Honestly, if this is the sort of a price action that we're getting, we definitely will lose more accounts. I agree. Like, what kind of a price action is this, man? Incredible. Ideally, my stop. Honestly, well, technically the stop has to be at 544. That's breaking this support level at 545, right? So maybe a 540, 543 area. Technically, I should be having my stop there. In this zone right now, right here, because we have a support here at this level. So if that breaks, the next support is gonna be here, right? So are you gonna be willing to hold until he pulls back all the way down? Maybe. So it really depends. If you get a pullback here and gets a fierce bounce back again, then I want to be part of this trade. Really? Is that right? Oh man, it's not just slow, man. This price action is just horrible right now. All right, guys, let's try to step in with my beautiful take profit trader here, guys.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
Oh man, guys, man, we're in trouble with this. Again, are you kidding me? Seriously? The same drill again this morning. Kind of feel like the same drill back and forth today. Looks like that's a heavy rejection there. Oh well, guys, man, I'm in trouble in this one, damn it. Stop, Stock Tiger, please, please. All right, guys, 1 second.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Look at this, I can't even exit this trade because of this.
Order cancelled.
What is this, guys? 542, hit it and gets a bounce back up again. Incredible. I must be up quite a bit on this take profit trader now. It got filled. Can you guys imagine that? Can you guys imagine that? I got filled here. 4 contracts, man. Can you guys see that? 1, 2, 3, 4 right down there. Incredible, guys.
Order working. Order working. Order working.
So 20 points bounce. Sorry, that's 2 points. Looking for 2 points bounce in each of these move. We'll see. Let's just try to go back to my take profit trader here for now. Let's see if we can get a bounce back up again. I guess we probably have to wait till Japan. So another 30 minutes, guys. Man, look at this chop is real, man. Incredible. I'm probably down quite a bit on this. Well, only down about $500. Man, I kind of feel like I'm wasting my account now. Unnecessarily. Ah, man. I was leaning more to the downside today, hold it. Man, I really shouldn't be reading the chat, to be honest.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
All right, I'm willing to risk 2 evals today. Nothing more than that. So if I end up losing 2 accounts, no bounce.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
It looks stumpy. It almost kind of feels like we're gonna go all the way down here. And I've been calling out this a pullback today, man. The same thing happened to me today in the morning, right? Where I'm leaning. Obviously, I was leaning more to the downside. Bounces, the bounce are shortable. I would like to short the bounce, and that's what I try to do. And now all of a sudden, I'm long. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty dead. Pretty dead, guys. Yeah, I wasted this eval for no reason. I'm wasting 2 now. especially this sort of a in this sort of a stupid price action, wasting an eval. Definitely not a happy camper. I mean, I knew this is a shorting market, and I came in today, I told you guys I'm going to short this market, and I'm here doing something else. Fuck me, man. Look at the slingshot bounce now. Yeah, I'm kind of getting a little annoyed today and yesterday. Sorry, this morning. And what a waste.
Order filled. 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 Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
No, what a waste. Might as well try. Give it a shot here, guys. It looks like we continue pulling back here, but one last step. Take a look and see if we get a little bounce. Taking my chances. What a garbage, man. What a garbage, guys. What in the world is going on right now, guys? Are you kidding me? Seriously? Are you kidding me? 3 points bounce in this market. 3 points bounce and a slingshot reversal back down again. I don't even know what to tell you guys. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to play it a little differently. If this Asian market wants to play, if it wants to play dirty, you've got this. I'm gonna teach you how to play dirty. Wow, look at this, guys, man. 539, a big wick here to the downside. Oh man, what a... Because so many weirdos. I don't understand. Let's see. I thought I almost got that. Apparently not.
Order working. Order working.
Who knows what we may get? We may get a nice little spike here. Nobody knows. So maybe I can kind of get saved here. I could just exit my trade right now, but I'm just like, you know what? What's the point in doing that? We'll take a chances. We'll see what it does. But that was literally about a nice little 5 points pump here. And then obviously that gets wicked down. Weird. You know, we could see this thing pull back all the way down to the 535s. That's literally another $1,000 if it gets down there. $540. Oh, let's just get it up there. Another 5 points. Another 5 points is all we really need. Can we do that, guys? 540 now. We just need 3 more points to get it up there and put it back in the green territory. I think this market definitely has what it takes to do that. For Stock Tiger and for the stream as well. At least back into the 540s. I think, what do you guys think? 10 points up and down. Exactly. That's what it is that this market is trying to do right now. So... no, I never tried full porting. Corn or wheat. I've never done that before. JC Trades, what is up, man? Andreas Jendrick in the house. Alfred Haywood. Zozo, Bear Pump. Broccoli. New Roll. 1S Trades. Captain Price. Hyungshik Mint in the house, man. What up, brother? Yup, I think the market's it's a calm before a storm. Tomorrow's gonna be a huge monster day. Guys, get ready. Tomorrow's gonna be a killer day. Tomorrow's gonna be huge, man. I haven't honestly planned what I want to do for tomorrow, because I almost kind of feel like, I'm gonna lose accounts if I trade tomorrow. I can almost tell you that much. I would rather end up losing 1 or 2 accounts today and just walk away for tomorrow. I don't know, what are you guys are planning to do tomorrow, guys? Are you guys all planning to go full port tomorrow or go aggressive tomorrow on your funded accounts? Yeah, honestly, I'm trying to just skip tomorrow, to be honest, man. I just don't feel very comfortable. I'm definitely more nervous.
Order filled.
Yeah, I may end up loading some accounts, maybe evals, maybe that's pretty much. I honestly don't know if I want to be trading, like even Apex, for example. I may trade the pre-market, just try to get to, just try to make $50, like what Roa Trade would say. Just try to make about $50 just to kind of walk away, and count it as a day, but not try to do anything silly, because I do not want to. I'll be honest, man, I cannot afford to lose my funded accounts. Put it that way. I'm not interested in loading in any more funded accounts. I'm kind of tired of trying to go through that process over again through evals and funded accounts. I need more payouts. That Apex denial actually kind of hurt me a little bit. So, man, look at that dump, guys, man. Look at that dump. I mean, it took a long time to curl back up again. Pretty much back to break even now, just down about $70. But I mean, geez, man, this isn't fun. Let's see if I can actually take some profits off the table right now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, what the hell is going on here, guys?
Order filled. Order
Like, you know what I mean? I mean, the Apex one, that was like literally about $8,000. Got denied on that, so I'm kind of like bleeding a little bit. But of course, I mean, all I have to do is trade another 8 days, which I've already done 2 days in a row now. So I only have like 6 more days to trade, and I will be able to access that $4,000 of profits that I have on each of these accounts. So I'm not really too concerned. Well, right now I just don't have that sort of a motivation. Wow, look at this, guys, man. I'm only down to 1 now. I'm only down to 1, guys. What is going on here, everybody? Holy brocachino. Oh, Neo, are you from Korea? Really? Wow. Neo is from Korea. Korean trading from Korea. Holy, man, that's awesome. I love it. Great to hear from you, Neo. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this trade, man.
Order filled.
Wow, all this stress to just for $300. Incredible, Stock Tiger. $300 with 15-minute contracts for all this stress, everybody. And where's my other account now? Back to my Tradify. Can I survive this? Can Stock Tiger survive this, guys? Maybe I get a chance.
Order filled.
Now I've got 5 contracts on this one right here. Jay Nguyen. Hyung Shik Bin, how's your day going? How's your day today? Did you bank today? You hate Michael Nguyen, you hate how strict APEC is? Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, at the end of the day, I just have to follow the rules, right? But something sketchy a little bit, I tell you what, something smells. Something smells, but it's okay. I still love Apex, I'll still trade Apex, I just have to be, I guess I just have to be perfect in trading Apex accounts to kind of make sure that I don't give anybody a chance to give me an excuse to deny my payouts, right? That's how it's supposed to be. Smell, yeah. Not going into too much details, but yeah, 765 right here. Tristan, you're shorting gold? Why are you getting shorting gold? No, $80 in New York. You're trying to build in the buffer with just micros. Yeah, it's gonna take you a long time to do that with micros. It's maybe you can try to do that tomorrow. I'm pretty sure one micro is gonna get us lots of profits for sure. One micro tomorrow, guys. Could be the time to do it. Is Tokyo going to open now? Oh, we got another 20 more minutes for Tokyo, guys. David Nguyen, what up, man? Trade another 6 days. Follow the rules. You can do it. Oh yeah, I know I can do it for sure. I probably would be better off just use my feet to enter a trade and exit my trade, I guess, for the next 6 days. It's only for $50, so. Man, I can't believe I'm just wasting my accounts on this silly trades that I'm trying to get into. Well, I still have quite a few drawdown. I got $1,000 drawdown on this one, so maybe it's okay, or maybe not. I'm not sure. The thing is, are we going to get a pullback here? That's $1 million question. I kind of feel like no, just based on the setup right now, I almost kind of feel like it's getting ready for a rackage back down into this 530, right? That's where all this liquidity is kind of like waiting, right in that zone. Or this could be here first before we do that. Maybe down in this zone. Right in this zone before we get down there. Lots of levels. Maybe a bounce, pullback, bounce, pullback, and maybe a bounce back up again into the 548s, right? This is maybe in the cards. Or maybe we pull back all the way down. Oh no, where's that drawing again? Oh, it's not there. Yeah, this market's extremely difficult, guys. Not easy at all to trade this price action right now. I think I should have used a little bit of a different tactic coming into today. If this was the sort of a price action that we were kind of expecting, right? Then maybe I could have saved my other account, but my place of a limit order down.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
I'm gonna have to play limit order instead of trying to place market order, because I kind of feel like I'm losing a lot because of the spreads. So no, Apex is a good company. Let's try to place my limit order.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Let's try to fill more.
Order filled.
There we go, guys. I've got 16 contracts. 16. All right. We'll have one more. Okay. All right, looking for a bounce back into the 550s. Let's see if we get it, guys. I'm on a 5-minute chart. I'm looking for a bounce back. Red folder, 7:50 p.m. What is red folder you talked about? Do we have any in red folder? Yeah, you just have to know how to trade Apex. You know, it's like Apex is a different animal, you know, and they've got certain rules. But if you are able to follow their rules, you have a potential to make a lot of profits, right? And like, you know, loading accounts at their best offer, and if you follow their rules and if you're a pretty consistent trader, you have a chance of making lots and lots, man. I'm telling you, Apex. Don't rule out, you know, Apex. Yes, I've been taking lots of payouts with a lot of other firms like Take Profit Trader, my Top Step as well. Top Step, in one account I've taken like $14,000 to $16,000, right? You guys seen that? But Apex, you know, imagine you have, let's not even do 20 accounts, man. Just forget about 20 accounts. It's hard. But if you have, let's say, if you have like 10 accounts, and if you get to, let's say, a buffer, and you know you have $4,000 of profit on each of these accounts, 10 accounts times $2,000, and that's quite a lot of money. 10 accounts times 2,000, that's 20K. It's 20,000 right off the bat, you know. It's like huge. And if you're a copy trader, then that's like even much better, right? It's a huge difference versus companies offering you 5 accounts at a time, man. It's a huge. I've traded both, and I kind of feel like there's a huge difference. Like Top Step 5 accounts, Take Profit Trader 5 accounts, Funding Ticks now 6 accounts, but it's kind of like it's still a newer firm, so I'm not really gonna put too much energy and effort into Funding Ticks. But Bulanox up to 11, but you've got to get all the accounts overall buffered in order to get there, so it's gonna be hard on Bulanox. Right? Apex is the only one that's offering you 20 accounts at a time. And even if you end up losing 7 of them, you're still with 13 accounts. And you still have a chance of making over $20,000 on a single payout on each of these accounts. I mean, across these accounts combined. So it's a chance. And these accounts are cheap when you buy it at the right time. You know, when they're at 90% off, you load in as many. And then their activation fee, when it's $85, you're gonna have to activate as many as you can at that time. So it's like $100 on each of these accounts at the right time, right? That's like paying half of what you pay on Top Step, right? So it's you're saving quite a lot of money with a huge potential for you to get into big, massive payouts. So yes, but there is a little bit of a stress, obviously, that comes with it. That's the denials, you know. But I mean, like I said again, you just have to follow their rules. They're strict rules. Just follow their rules, and and you get to a good payout. You know, I'm gonna do that. You know, I kind of failed. I requested 8 accounts of payout, and all of them got denied, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna have to trade another 8 days to get to my max payout, because all of my accounts are like already right or pretty close to the max. What do you call this? Over $4,000 of profits on each of these accounts. So funding ticks has a large spread. Ijaz, by the way, where are you, man? I tried to add you on my Discord, but I couldn't do that for some reason. Are you still there? Can you send me a little text on my DM on my Discord so I can kind of try to see how to add you back? Or do you have an account name? Do you have a new account on Discord? Rocket, what is up, man? Good luck getting paid on 10. Hey man, I've gotten lots of payouts with Apex. It's not the first time. I know I'm gonna get it. It's just a matter of time. Do not worry. Do not worry. Tech Profit Trader is #1 right now. Nice, Justin, right? Yeah, definitely. Tech Profit Trader is definitely there. If you have 5 pro accounts, you just can't get any better than that, guys, man. 5 pro accounts is like golden. It's like the biggest thing you can ever have. It's 5 pro accounts. It's been a while since I actually had 5 accounts, like 5 pro accounts at a time. It's been a while, because I kept losing one or two in between that process. So Funded Next is not cheap, man, right now. Funded Next is, I try to buy an account, but it's like $249 or something like that, $229 even after discount. What the hell is going on there on a legacy account? I'm so annoyed with Funded Next. I'm not buying any of Funded Next right now. Nice times Enigma. Yeah, that's right, man. Yeah, that's right. Apex is good. Just gotta get the right deals, and just gotta make sure you do okay, and just skip yourself, follow the rules, and you should get paid. Phineas is better than stupid Funded Next. Yeah, honestly, Funded Next. The more I keep looking at this Funded Next, I'm kind of not feeling that great. I'll be honest. I think Phineas may be a better one. I agree, but I haven't, I'm not gonna make a call right now, but I kind of feel like Phineas may be a better one. But Phineas also is not cheap either, so Phineas has to come back with their $8, man. That's the time when I loaded I think about 15 accounts, and I blew all the 15 accounts. And that's a 25k accounts. It only had like $200 drawdown on their static account I bought for $8 on each of them. It did not last me very long. It did not last me very long losing that accounts. Bought for $8, man. That was a lot of fun. I bought for $8. I had about 15 accounts, and I ended up blowing all of them. How much it costed me? $8 times 15 accounts. Wow, that was $120. That was literally worth one account for Tech Profit Trader. It was like $200 drawdown, man. I couldn't do it. And I keep forgetting that it's only $200, and I end up going 1 NQ, and then it's like, boom, it's gone. Aqua Futures. Yeah, I'm thinking about Aqua Futures, but I need a stronger firm, you know what I mean, that I can kind of like take it for longer, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know if Aqua Futures has what it takes. I don't know if they're worth my time and energy right now. That's the thing that kind of concerns me just a little bit. We'll find out, but definitely Aqua Futures is definitely my radar. Not right now, not right now. You know, So we'll see. We'll see. I've got some couple other accounts that I'm kind of looking at right now. So we'll see. Elite Trader. I'm going to trade Elite Trader for sure. Elite Trader is one. And Tradify, of course, I'm already trading Tradify, getting absolutely annihilated right now. But Tradify, Elite Trader, and what else? And that's it for now. I'm gonna look for one or two more. Oh no! I'm not saying Aqua Futures any. I'm not saying they're bad by any means. I'm just saying. I just kind of feel like there's better firms out there, and for me, it's not about cheapest, right? Like, I've already made lots of profits, man. I've made a lot of profits. I've already taken a lot of payouts. I've taken already at what is it again? What's the year to date? I've already taken about $117,000 this year. I've only spent so much. I probably only spent about $30,000 this year, $35,000 this year, right? So it's a huge profit this year, guys, man. Right? So at the end of the day, you know, it's like I'm not just going after cheapest price in the market. It's got to make sense overall, you know what I mean? The rules and the reliability, you know, the firm, you know, firm itself. So that's what it matters for me the most than the cheapest one. Even if it's something for $20, if it's gonna make sense, then yes, then I'll go for $20. But if not, then if there's better stuff out there for $60, I'll probably end up going with $60. Pay a little more, you know. Tokyo, guys, man. Tokyo, one more minute. Damn it, guys. I completely forgot about Tokyo. I'm going to have to close this right now. All right, guys, I closed that. Oh, man, I have a long ways to go to close this freaking... Oh, man, I'm down quite a bit on this. I don't even know how to stop this. I've got 5-minute contracts. I'm down about $330. And Tokyo's opening in about 20 more seconds. I don't know what to do. There we go, guys. There we go. We're getting a dump now. Guys, rejection of that 545. Amazing, amazing. Tokyo's gonna flush this down. Tokyo's gonna sell this off. Oh my god, guys. What an insane. Tokyo's open, guys. I'm gonna have to hold this. I'm gonna hold it. I don't think I can add to any position here because I don't want to get holy guys, man, look at this mochaccino getting a nice little pump here. Oh my, guys, what the hell? I should have taken my profits here, guys. Alright, guys. Ah, man, that was a squeeze. I should have taken that profit. That's a huge move. That's like literally about, well, not really. That's only about 4 points. 4 points move, guys. Yeah, it's just 5 points. Yeah, you're right. Why is my candle looking like it's like 500 points? What is up with this? All right, there we go, man. Yeah, let's just make it a little bit more realistic here. I don't want to make it look like it's 2,000 points pump in this market. Tokyo is up, guys. Final countdown. How's your day going?
Order filled.
And guys, man, my order got filled. Thank you. But I'm still down, though. Can't believe this, guys. I'm still down.
Order working.
We'll see, guys. Still down, man. I don't understand. I'm still down. If I can save this account, I'll be happy camper. One down. I'm okay to lose one, but I don't want to lose any more than that, to be honest. Guys, man, go take a look at my Discord, bro. Like, it's there. What was the reason? Here. This is the reason. Scaling violation. September the 8th. But the thing that I don't understand is I've been trading the way I've been trading for a straight 8 days. Like one day, like I wouldn't be like, you know what I mean? Like, how is my trading going to be so different on one single day? Every day, and all my 8 accounts that got denied are all the same issue, scaling violation. So, and all have different days. It's weird, but it's okay. Let's see if we get a bounce. Maybe that's the reason. I think I did. I honestly, I'm not sure if I actually. You know what? No. You know what? I used over 5 mini contracts. I think I did. I think I did use over 5 contracts. I'll be honest. But that was because I don't know why, but I can't remember. But I think I also had quite a bit of profits on it, though. Right? Yeah, but I did go over 5 mini contracts. Yeah, I do remember that. I'm not sure if it's all the accounts, but I pretty much think it is. On certain, like maybe a 1 or 2 occasions, I guess. But yes, I did. So I guess that's what it is then, right? That's the reason why I got denied. Which of course I'm not doing that anymore. In the last 2 days I traded Apex accounts. I haven't done any of that, so I've only got into 1 or 2 mini contracts. I don't even think that's DCA. DCA is adding to your position, but what they're saying is scaling violation, from what I hear, is that you cannot use over 5 mini contracts until you get to a certain dollar amount. I think that's what it is, right? But you know what? Whatever the reason it may be, it doesn't really matter, because my account's getting built. It's building the buffer right now. As you guys can see, I've got lots of profits right now on these accounts, man. I already traded 2 days now. I've already traded 2 days on these accounts, and it's like 2,000. You know, I'm gonna be requesting $20,000 on these accounts, guys. Over $20,000 between now through another 6 days. If I trade for, let's say, $5,200 on each of these accounts, I mean, it's gonna be 20K, and I don't think that scaling violation is gonna be there anymore because I've not done that, right? It's just gonna be 1 or 2 mini contracts I'll be trading. Things are looking good, man. I look forward to requesting another payout with Apex in about 8 more days, guys. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a huge payout, and we'll make a huge party, guys. You know, we'll get a huge party going. We'll get a huge, massive party going here, guys, everybody. Do not forget. Born to Win, I think you did use more than 5 minutes. We asked you if that hurts the 30% rule. I'm not sure what you mean. If that would hurt the 30% rule. That's got nothing to do with the 30%. That's 2 different things. using over 5 mini contracts versus 30% consistency is a two different thing. Yeah, Time Enigma's point is right. That's the thing. It's not a DCA. I think it's something else, man. It's that I think somebody can explain a little bit better, but I think you can't use certain mini contracts until you get to a certain dollar amount of profits in your account. So I've got 10 accounts right now with Apex. So we'll get there, guys. I'm not panicking. It's not the end of the world. As long as I don't lose my accounts, that's fine. Again, like I said, as long as I don't lose my accounts, that's fine. This is a bit unfortunate I lost this account, but we'll try to make it up. We'll try to make it up here, guys. I still have everything else with me, so I'm building my funded accounts as we speak, so we'll see how things go. You answer on Discord? What does that mean? It's because you exceeded the max number of contracts on that day. You can't use over 5 contracts for any reason until you're above the threshold. You're above the threshold. Once the account end of the day balance. Alright, okay, so yeah. For example, $50,000 account. 5 contracts. Yeah, that's right. So I've used over 5 contracts, I think so, yeah. So they have a reason to deny my payout, because I definitely did end up using over 5 mini contracts. Yeah, I agree. Trade day must close before you enter. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, understood. So now I'm only using 1 or 2 now. So now I'm okay to use 10 contracts, but I'm not going to do that because I have a chance of losing my account. You know what I mean? So now I'm purposely not doing any aggressive contract trading. Probably 1 or 2 at most, but nothing really more than that. Guys, don't forget to smack that like, everybody, if you guys are enjoying your day. If you guys want to support the stream. Yeah, it's either your account had to be above the buffer or be less than 5 minute contracts. So my account was not above the buffer, and yet I was using over 5 contracts, right? So that's what it is. Now I'm above the buffer, but I don't want to use any more than 5 mini contracts because I have a chance of end up losing my account because it's oversized. You know what I mean? So now I'm gonna be like 1 contract because I don't need to trade for any more than $50 to $100 per account. So give me $20,000, man. That's huge. Freaking, let's get it, guys. Huge payout. Oh man, this price action, guys, is I don't even know what to make out of this price action. Look at this dump, guys, all of a sudden now. Incredible. Man, what is that wick there? Oh god.
Order filled. 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 Order working. 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 Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order filled. 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 Order cancel. Order cancel. Order cancel. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Filled. Filled.
Oh, I'm barely trying to hold this account, man. Barely. Man, who's this guy, Jason Smith? What are you talking about? Nobody used my code anyways. And I don't even sell courses. God, man, why do you have so many monkeys come in today? Is my chart stuck here? Yeah, that's right, Marcin. Just start your own YouTube channel and start your own affiliates if you want to. Yeah, we got a lot of monkeys here tonight, man. Holy smokers, no jokers. I mean, if they come in to make sense, I can understand. Wow, man, look at this, man. We just literally dumped about 10 points, like 12 points, and then a slow grind to the back, oh, slow grind to the upside again. Oh. Yeah, that's true, Helen, yeah. I'm not even successful, you know. I mean, I did get good payouts, right? I did get good payouts. That doesn't mean that I'm successful. I'm probably the smallest streamer in town. Smallest trader, streamer with the smallest sub. I have like 2,800 subs right now. Look, I try my best to, right? I try my best in trading. That's my ultimate goal. I'm not here to sell courses, okay? I'm not here selling courses. I'm not here marketing anything, right? I've got a whole bunch of great traders here, you know, who's here to support Stock Tiger, and they use my affiliate codes, you know, that's pretty much it. But I'm not here to sell courses. My primary goal is to get more payouts, you know what I mean? That's my goal. And I just want to share my journey with a lot of my traders, my fellow traders. And I want to see all my fellow traders grow alongside myself. That's the ultimate objective. Okay, so it's very simple. It's very simple. And I'm probably I wouldn't want to say I'm the only one, but I can certainly tell you I'm probably one of the few who does giveaways using his payouts with the profits you make in trading. I'm not a bad trader. I've made over $170,000 worth of trading, and only spent about $35,000 this year. Very, very profitable, guys. What education are you talking about, Jason Smith? What education? Do you have an education yourself? Are you talking about the ABCD pattern? What do you mean nobody's selling courses? Everybody's selling courses. People don't sell courses anymore. I think you're just here to just mess around, man. Maybe it's time for you to go home, I think. What red are you talking about? Why don't you hop into my live stream, brother? Like, what is this guy talking about? What red are you talking about here? Why don't you go get a life, man? Just get the hell out of here. Stupid monkey. Fuck, man. Jeez. Go get a life. No better stuff to do in life. Just come somebody else's stream and stop acting like a moron. Jeez. God. Ah! Wow, mochaccino, everyone. Already having a bad day. Rock one of my accounts. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Stop, please. Leave me alone. Smallest little day trader, just leave me alone. I've only got $2,800. Not $2,800. 2,800 sub. The smallest streamer. Jeez, man. Go get a life, please. Fund It Next, man. I need an offer from Fund It Next. I don't have anything, man. I tried to buy an account today. It was like $229, even after discount. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I'm not gonna pay $229 for a 50K account size. I'm not gonna be doing that. No, I don't follow FSP. I don't follow FSP, but I know he does a lot of prayers. I think, yeah, pretty much. Funding this is probably the cheapest one we get in town. Yes, the downside to Funding this is that it's still a fairly new firm. So anything could go wrong. But I mean, the nice thing is if you're not exposed to one firm, I think you should be fine, right? Poor Pavlo Nguyen. Yeah, I mean, hey, you know, we all have an option to hop on anybody's stream, that makes you feel comfortable, you know what I mean? So yeah, to Chambel Michelle, I tried listed, of course. I bought 2 accounts. I got 2 accounts. I passed both, and I almost got into a payout with the Lucid funded account, and I ended up blowing that account as well. Jeez, I only had to make $200 more to get to a payout, and I ended up blowing that account. Can you guys imagine? I think some of you seen me blow that account, Lucid account. I had $200 of extra profits I needed. All I needed was $200. I ended up blowing that, unfortunately. I think you guys were there. I was trading live too, so I paid 77. I think it was at 50% off. They're now at 40%, so I don't know honestly if that's I don't know if that's the way to go. But I paid 77, I think. Was it $77 or $73 for Lucid account for 50% off? That's all I really paid. I did not pay anything more than that. Oh. Read a lockout. If I do only TPT trade day top step, are you good with that, or better fund it next to top step? I mean, it depends, you know. I mean, if you're not if you're consistently taking payouts with take profit trader and trade day and top step on top, you could be looking for something else extra, right? But if you're struggling to trade with these 3 firms, then you might as well just stick to the 3, or maybe bring it down to 2 or 1. Yeah, I think it's gonna be hard to do 40% off. Like right now, if you use, I think Patrick's PW code, I think you get a 30% off right now, guys. Just FYI. If you use Patrick's code now, I think you get 30% off. If you use my code, you get 20% off. So you probably better off just use 30%. I think you get for $61 on the. Oh no, sorry, not 61. I think it's $50 right now. Guys, don't forget, it's $50. $50 if you use Patrick's PW code on the funding ticks. Okay, that's the cheapest it gets on a 50K account, but on a 1K payout cap. Okay, do not forget, I'm not here to promote somebody else's code, but I do care about you guys, and I want you guys to save money, right? Is there something going on with my stream, guys? I kind of feel like my stream is getting wrecked right now. Is streaming okay for you guys, or am I disconnected right now, or what? On my code, you get $50 too. Really? I thought it's just PW that you get $50 off right now. I mean, anyways, it doesn't really matter. I just want to let you guys know. Can you guys hear me or no? I don't know what happened right now. I kind of feel like I got disconnected for about 5 minutes. Are we going to get a bounce in this market now? Oh, hold on 1 second, guys. I actually got triggered. Guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. Guys, what is going on, man? There's something going on in my computer. Exit my order. All right, there we go. All right, guys, there's something fishy about my computer right now. My connection is kind of Weird. I tried to exit my trade. I just couldn't do that either, so I don't know. Oh, can you guys not hear me? No, seriously, guys, are we 30% off on funding ticks right now? Let me just take this. Let me just take a look and see. Just want to make sure it works. Oh, there's 50%. So, guys, man, there is actually, you're right. Big Matt is right. It's 35% off right now. Can you guys hear me or no? Alright, guys, at least this account is back to life again. Now I've just got to be careful. I lost one account. I want to be careful now. Okay, so you guys can hear me. I don't know. I kind of feel like my computer got disconnected here for a moment. About a few minutes. Guys, man, there's 35% off on funding ticks now. So, yeah, that's nice. Guys, once again, also do not forget to subscribe to my main channel, guys. I'm gonna share that link with you guys. Hold on one second. I'm gonna share that link. So during what do you call this? During New York session, I go live on my main stream, guys, and we're gonna do a little bit of a transition back into my main channel. Obviously, that's where Stock Tiger was born. So we are coming pretty close to 1 year anniversary of my YouTube channel too. And that's obviously I started in the month of November. Man, I'm so grateful that I actually exited my trade. I would have been absolutely roasted on this one. Jeez, guys, man, good that I actually ended up exiting my trade there. I would have been in trouble. That's a big pullback, guys. That's literally about 10 points pullback. I can't believe what is up with this price action. 10 points up, 10 points down. We've been just literally doing that for the whole day, I think. Guys, man, it's not looking that good, to be honest, man. Every time we try to get above the 545, we kept getting a rejection of that level. So I almost kind of feel like, you know, we're gonna have to retest the 525. It's just that I can't, like, as much as I like to go short this right now, I kind of feel like I'm a little bit late. All right, so I'm gonna try and short this here. Let's see if we get a little bit of a bounce back up again. The meal time for us truckers now, man. Great job, VicMed. Thank you so much. Great trade. I don't know. I'm kind of scrambling right now, to be honest. It's just not been that great so far. Age of session today. It's non-event. Nothing really there. I lost one account for no reason. I don't even know what the hell happened there. Lost one account. And everything else. I haven't even been like out. I didn't trade anything else other than these. Oh, I traded the Take Profit Trader account up 345, but honestly, it's nothing else to trade. It's hard to trade this market at the moment. I kind of feel like the FOMC is kind of killing this market for now. I guess that's what it is, right? Man, look at this Apex accounts that are looking golden here. All right, Broccoli Main, you have a great day. It's a meal time for truckers now. Take a look at the Pilaros. Oh. So we got Hong Kong in about I would say 20 more minutes. Oh, my order got filled, guys. I mean, on this trade now with 1 mini contract. Let's take a look and see. All right, boy Pablo, you have a great day. You know, trade carefully. Yeah, we definitely have to trade carefully for sure. Stay green too. Absolutely, I agree. Oh, what do you mean? You mean December contract, DJ? Is that what you're asking? It is. Yep, it's Z25. The contracts roll over on this trade of eights. I've got them changed this morning. One of my fellow traders told me to change, so I got to change this morning while I was streaming this morning in New York. This price action is horrible, guys, man, horrible. I don't even know what to make out of this now. Let's take a look at the gold. Well, nothing really there in gold either, right? Back to NQ. RTY the same thing. I think RTY is even worse. There's nothing really there. Yeah, there's really nothing there in this gold. Mike Key in the house. What do you mean it's so complicated? Above buffer 60% you can take out. Top step is only 50%. Oh. Man, are we gonna get it flushed down or what? Is this market gonna flush it down? You guys think? No, we're just gonna sit there. Yeah, I think 35% off right now. Yeah, I don't do that, man. Yeah, it's not me. Holy guys, we've been just sitting there for about an hour in this 5 to 7 point range. Incredible. This is a huge calm before a big massive storm tomorrow. FOMC at 12, not 12, that's 2 p.m. Eastern time, that is, right? So a huge day. Incredible. Hey, Money Mitch, what is up? You're the real one. I mean, everybody's a real one, you know. That's not me. We all are real. All right, guys. I'm shorting this market, but we are getting a little bit of a bounce. But at least the nice thing is I'm only in one mini contract. That's all I have right now. Oh man, tomorrow's gonna be a very strange day. I don't know why, but I kind of feel like I want to stay out of my trades tomorrow. It's gonna be and the reason why I want to stay out of my trades tomorrow is because I don't want to lose accounts, man. I'll be honest. I'm scared to lose funded accounts right now. I kind of feel like this is the wrong time to lose accounts, right? We are halfway through. We only have, what, 12 more days to finish the month. And I don't want to lose any accounts. You know, I felt so bad today, this morning, when I lost my Bullanox Master account. I felt so bad. It's like, I felt like it's the end of the world. For about 5 minutes, of course. You know, and then I kind of forgot about my trades. But, you know, it's like, not the time to be losing accounts. Put it that way. We only have 12 more days to go, and we all are looking for payouts, right? We all are looking for big payouts, and it's like, you know, just imagine if you don't have any funded accounts to play next week. What would it feel like? You know what I mean? That's the thing that we have to think about, I think. So I'm kind of going, okay, well, if I end up losing quite a few accounts tomorrow just because I'm trading FOMC, then what is it going to look like next week when I'm down to, say, 50% of funded accounts? Let's say if I lost 50%, or let's say if I lost even 25% of my funded accounts that I had. So let's say I have 25 funded accounts right now. If I end up losing 6 of them tomorrow, then I'll be with 17 accounts next week, and it's going to be like, okay, well, am I going to feel okay? No, because I'm going to feel bad. So it's not going to be a good way to start next week. And that's why I'm kind of going, okay, well, maybe I'm probably better off to just stay away from tomorrow's FOMC. Or maybe try to get into evals, I guess, right? And evals could be the combines. I've got some couple combines in the works right now. And I'm working on my Tradify as well. Pretty much it. I don't really have anything else really other than these accounts. Yeah, so I'm a little nervous. I don't know why. I don't normally feel very nervous. I mean, you guys have seen me trade every day for so many months now, but I'm not one of those traders where I get scared to trade or step in a trade with lots of contract size. For example, I'm not afraid to lose accounts usually, but I just don't know. Like, I just feel a bit nervous to trade tomorrow's FOMC with my funded accounts. So. Oh, you know what I mean? I'll probably end up trading just evals tomorrow and try to pass a whole bunch of evals. You know, maybe, who knows? And try to get to how many accounts? Let's say I've got 8 plus 5. Plus 5. Plus 4. So I've got 25. I've got 24 funded accounts now. So I have a chance of making that to 30 funded accounts if I pass a whole bunch of Tradifies, and if I pass Combine. If I pass the Combine and Tradify, that's literally about 7 or 8 funded accounts right there off the bat. So that's gonna get me to over 30 funded accounts. So maybe that's probably a better way to do this, better plan. So let me just try to work on my evals tomorrow, try to pass a whole bunch of them, and try to get this funded accounts to over 30, and start next week, you know, with 30 funded accounts, and try to build buffer and get to a payout. You know what I mean? Like every few days, get a payout. I'm gonna get to a payout with my with Apex account alone. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun if I do that. But if I end up losing funded accounts tomorrow, I think that's gonna be a bad momentum. I'm gonna be in trouble, right? NYMEX, yeah, funded account, funding ticks is 35% off right now. Captain Price. You know, one day can go one. Yeah, I mean, that's right. It says it's stupid, unusual rally. Remember when Apex used to have 90% off after FOMC? I mean, yeah, I mean, Apex is no longer Apex it used to be, right? I mean, they hardly do any 90% off right now. I mean, we used to have, like, last year, we used to have 90% every single month. Like, it was, like, very abnormal to not have a 90% off. You know what I mean? And on top of that, a lifetime activation, $85. We used to get that every single month last year. Every single month, guys. It was literally the cheapest one we have in town in the prop and space, right? It was a lot of fun, but not anymore, man. There's definitely become a little more pricey. So when they had this 90% off with the $85 activation, it was like the best thing you can ever have, or maybe the best thing you could have asked for. I hope you guys actually grabbed a bunch of them. Javes, man, you're going to buy 20 accounts. What would recommend besides Apex? Honestly, it depends, man. Honestly, it's hard to say. We're getting a bounce in this market, down about $85. Imagine if I actually had 5 contracts on this trade. I would have been in trouble. Only down about $85, thank God. I tried trading evals. Oh, final countdown. That's right. Holy mochaccino. I'm gonna have some water right now. I know a lot of you guys are trading the 150Ks too. I think that's a pretty nice account size, to be honest, but I just find it hard. I just find it hard to pass. You know, I'm so used to passing with $3,000 target. It's really hard, man. Even I'm struggling right now with 150Ks on Take Profit Trader. My Take Profit Trader, I'm still struggling with that. There's 2 accounts that I've got right now. I've got literally pretty close to 6,000. I only need about $3,000 more to pass, but it's hard. It's not easy. It requires a lot of patience and time and energy. You're still working at 90%? I'm assuming you bought a whole bunch of accounts with the final countdown. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking the same. I don't know why. I just don't feel very comfortable, so I might as well just stick to evals tomorrow. And not, I think as soon as I start to rack one of my funded accounts, I kind of feel like that's going to be a domino effect. So if I lose one, you know, it's like, it sounds easy to just end it there, but it's not really the case, right? You lose one, you're going to get frustrated. You're going to trade your second funded account, and you're going to lose that account because it's FOMC. It's going to be wild, right? And you're going to lose your third. You're going to lose your fourth, and you're going to get mad. You're going to go full port with your 5th account and the 6th and 7th, and you're going to lose like 7 or 8 accounts like in a matter of like few minutes. I mean, that's going to bound to happen to a lot of traders. And that's why I'm kind of like, you know what? As much as I kind of feel like I'm disciplined, I just maybe just better off just walk, like stay on the sideline and just stay focused with the eval accounts. Maybe. Yeah, accounts can go easily, guys, man. Today would have been a classic example of Stock Tiger losing accounts. Somehow I got a little lucky, somehow. And we had over 80 viewers this morning, but they saw me struggle towards the end of the day, and it could have turned out to be a much worse day, right? I could have easily lost about a few funded accounts, right? I lost one funded account, that's the master account with Billanox, but I could have easily lost other accounts too. I was down with Take Profit Trader Pro account. I was down about $1,300 at one point to get back to green again, but I mean, a little more dump in the market, I would have lost that account. So it's not easy, and I would have literally got pissed if I actually ended up losing that account as well, and things would have gotten even worse if I ended up losing that account too. So it's tough to manage. You know, when you're in a losing streak and when you start to lose accounts, you're gonna lose more and more, and that's the problem. This short isn't quite going your way right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm not like, it's not gonna go straight in one line either, you know what I mean? It's not gonna be like up here right now all of a sudden, so I'm not really too concerned about this trade, to be honest. You've already blown up several of them. It looks like it might go up towards the top of this channel. Could be, yeah, could be. Q's Queen 86. I trade NQ. I actually trade NQ and MNQ both. That's what I do. It almost sounds like a lot of you are still working on your 90% off Apex accounts. Loaded a whole bunch of them. I don't load as much, to be honest. I just load for the amount that I need for that particular moment. I don't load in a whole bunch of accounts. I just don't like that. It's a bit overwhelming if you have a lot of accounts too, especially those evals. So I kind of like to stay away from loading in a whole bunch. Forcing trades, yeah. I kind of feel like today I try to force my trades because this market wasn't moving. But there's really nothing there to trade against right now. It's like it's been sitting in this 0.08% for 18 points, man. 18 points in Nasdaq and NQ is literally nothing. So yeah, it's just been sitting there, guys. Nothing there at the moment. We are trying to call back up again, by the way. I may exit my trade. I mean, down $100, not the end of the world, to be honest. It's okay, I think. Yeah, I know, man. It's just been 15 points dumping up. It's gonna be pretty interesting tomorrow, guys. I don't know what you guys plan to do tomorrow, but I'm definitely gonna be on the sideline and try to work on my evals. I guess that's my plan moving into tomorrow. Guys, don't forget to smack that like, everyone, if you can. If you guys want to support the stream. Thank you thanks once again for doing that. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a chop tomorrow morning. I think it's gonna be a range. I don't know how big of a range it's gonna be tomorrow, but I kind of feel like it's just gonna be a chop tomorrow. We're gonna see some wild moves for sure tomorrow, man. I have a feeling we are gonna see some wild move. We have a chance of banking quite a bit. Like if you're gonna step in with the funded accounts tomorrow. But this could really rack a lot of accounts too tomorrow. So it's a big storm, in my opinion. I want to stay away from that. I'm gonna try my level best, man. I've got a lot of funded accounts. I do not want to screw up. You know what I mean? That's the catch. Lots of funded accounts across the board, and I've got to be careful. Just gotta be careful. I think they're gonna I think they're gonna cut, but it's yeah, I mean, it could be, what do you call this again? It could be the sell the news kind of event, right? Buy the rumors, sell the news kind of event. The gold is pulling back. All right, guys, man, it's too slow. It's really nothing there to trade against, so I'm gonna have to call it a day. It's gonna be a real busy day for me tomorrow morning, so I will try to hop on a live stream tomorrow during FOMC. I may try, I'm not sure. If I do, I'll let you guys know. But just make sure you guys are subscribed to my main stream, my main channel, where I'm gonna be live on my New York sessions. Here we go. This is my mainstream YouTube. So make sure you guys are subscribed to that channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well to get notified every time I go live during New York, of course, including the Asian market. All right, guys, this is it from my end. I thank you guys for being here today. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. We'll see you guys back again. Maybe tomorrow morning. If not, then 100% back during the Asian market on Thursday. Sorry, not Thursday, Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody, love you guys. Have a great rest of the day. Take a good rest for tomorrow, FOMC, guys. Good luck, everybody, tomorrow. God bless once again, you and your family. Everybody, peace.